beautiful women out here. A very happy Women's Day. Can we have a big round of applause for all of them? Now, on this occasion of Women's Day, I have an announcement to make. My book is going to get released on the 5th of April 2020, and it's titled The Gita Happiness Retreat. So would you all like to hear a story of women in trouble from my book?
Yes.
Yes, I will hear.
Yes.
Yes. Everybody ready? Okay. So one day, Lord Krishna was very upset. So he was moving from one corner to the other. So his assistant came up to him and asked, Lord, what happened? Why are you so upset? So Lord Krishna said, you know what? My most beautiful creation on earth, women, are not happy. They are full of worry. They are confused. They can't take decisions by themselves and they land up in trouble. So his assistant said, so Lord, what should we do about it? So Lord Krishna said, we must guide them and help them. So what did Lord do? Lord Krishna, he disguised himself as a woman and he joined a group of 4 women who were discussing their personal issues. So one woman said that I am having constant trouble in running my recruitment business. Recently what happened was I met an HR manager who was from a very big company and he said I'm interested to work with you and give you lakhs of rupees for the business. And he also showed from where to get the database of right candidates. And you just have to do one thing, you just have to schedule the people for the interview and I will select the candidates. But there is a condition. I would look forward for a commission from your side on the payout that my company pays. Now this woman was very confused. She said, what do I do? So then the other woman who was there, she said, you know, she was in the sales profession. So she says, oh, you are lucky. That person just asked you for commission. You know what? When I go to procure fresh business out in the market, the clients ask me for sexual favors in return. And I don't know what to do. She was pretty stuck at that time. Then the third woman comes in the picture. And she says that I work in a company as an executive to the director. And my boss, he's asking me for a sexual relationship. And I don't know what to do. I'm very scared. If I do not do it, he will throw me out of the job. And I don't know what to do. I'm stuck. Then the thing goes on to the fourth woman. The fourth woman says, who is working in a finance company. She says that my bosses, my company is forcing me to create fake reports and documents. Like all of you, I also feel stuck. Now, Lord Krishna was the 5th woman meeting. And he was listening to all the women very patiently. And he said to all of them, look, I'm very new over here, but I have a small suggestion for all of you. Do you mind if I share the suggestion with all of you? So all the women nodded. They said, yes, yeah, okay. So Lord Krishna said, in life, you will face lot of difficult situations, be it at work or be it at home. The thing is, you have to decide and identify the right path and the wrong path. Once you do that, still there will be situations which will force you to move on the wrong path, maybe because of some pressure or something of that sort, loss and fear. The thing that you need to do is, you need to walk on the right path based on your core values and leave the rest to God. So then Lord Krishna looked at the first woman and said, if you think it's okay to give commission to that HR manager who is unethically asking you for it, and at the same time he's cheating his own company, you go ahead. But if you get blacklisted, then don't tell me. So, and plus, he also said that why work with this particular company itself? You have so many other companies that you can search business for. Why work with this particular company? Choice is certainly yours. Then he moved on to the next woman. And he said, ask yourself again and again, that am I doing the right thing? Is the sexual offer coming from the client side? Is it acceptable? Should I go in for it? Ask yourself again and again. And will you get happiness from the business that is coming from this side, from the wrong way? If your answer is no, then look for business elsewhere. Why look over here? Now you know why #MeToo movement has become so big. Think before you act. Then he moved on to the third woman. The third woman, he said, as you very rightly put that your boss is forcing you and you are discussing this particular issue over here, you know that this is not right. Why work with such a person in the first place? Why not you leave your job and look out for something else? Your friend who is a recruitment consultant will help you find another job. Think, look forward, see what your heart is telling you to do, and your heart is always right. Moving on to the fourth woman. Now the fourth woman, he said, that whenever you do some work, and when you know it is not right, consciously, you know it is not right, what happens is, your thought keeps telling you, you're not doing right, you're not doing right. Because of that, you're not able to sleep, your health gets affected, and your body is not responding. Your body has got a mind of its own, it has got senses, and it gives you knowledge about what is right and what is wrong. Your heart keeps telling you that do the right thing, do the right thing, do the right thing. Only when your body, your heart, and your conscious is in alignment with each other, that is the time when you will experience true happiness and peace. With this, Lord Krishna looked at all the other women and said, even in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna said to Arjuna that due to association of human beings with nature, we will come across good and bad people in our lives. And the sufferings and the enjoyment that human beings experience is because of themselves, because of the decisions that they take in the wrong way or the right way. So when you experience the Lord within you, who is seated in the hearts of everyone, He is the overseer and the permitter. And when you see the Lord accompanying the soul with it, that is the time their association will help you take the right decisions in your life. With this, when we move on to the life lessons that we learn from this story, the models that we learn from this story is, whenever you face a difficult situation in your life, stop. Think before you act. Decide and choose the right path which is based on your core values, and leave the rest to God. And make sure that you walk on the right path, which is your body, your heart, and your conscience is in alignment with each other. Thank you.